Hello all. Today we'll discuss new level of the certification of Cisco. Cisco has many levels of the certification. First of all, if you want to plan your Cisco career, if you want to start your job in Cisco track, so first of all will be entry level of the certification. Entry level of the certification, then after will be associate level of the certification. After the associate level of the certification will be the specialist level of the certification. After specialist level of the certification will be the professional level of the certification. After professional will be the expert level of the certification, and finally last will be the architect level of the certification. This is the new certification level of the Cisco as per as 2020. Next level of the certification will be valid from 24th Feb 2020. Means new exam will be started. So here we need to start from CCT. Then after you can plan for the associate level of the certification like DevNet, CCNA, CCNA Cyber Ropes. Then in professional level will be collaboration, data center, security, service provider. This is the new sequence. In expert level, you can plan for security, you can plan for service provider, data center, collaboration, and enterprise, and finally last will be the architect level of the certification. Then after you can plan for the job in India as well as the abroad as a network engineer, as a network administrator, as a senior expert. So there will be many kind of the designation. This is one of the best certification in India as well as the abroad. Thank you and all the best for your career.